Sembut Menteri Rangba ke jela Bah Prestone tensong, ulapan pa ke Kyndit bat kentat mardor ya ke khubor hamsaya. Bah kadon ke iapher jingmut hapring jong bat upara nongelam ke NPP Bah Sniawbhalang dhar, da ke bakhat ya kita ke jingmit khubor kum ki balam ler, balapan kret da ke riu shim kabu. Ngala Kyndit shibun ban yoi hakikat tu kadi ki benta jong ke rensan social media, bat wat haki print media, bat electronic media. Hak bagi do bakal don ke iapher jingmut hapring jonga bat Bah Sniawbhalang dhar, bangan pensyai mentah kasngi bakam long ke basisha, bat ngat harai kadi ke khubor lamler lani letse ki briu ki batho ki dei ki brasyak pendan kam bakla hai ki riu shim kabu, lani ki sengsan perthei ki bashim kabu ya ke batang ublehi utip. Ong Bah Prestone, habakren syakilat thai khubor, ha kesantrik naiwiang. Bah Prestone ulakin tu da ke baong, kumta ngakerpat iki beriu badan kti ha ke bapen mi akum kini ke jingkren, ling bakum kini ke khubor ki bamsyam lawat benia shwa, ban pelat syakipat ba, namar ke shiwan ra ya ke jingklumar jingmut, ke bamdan nongrim, namar udon uput iki baro. La kalong ki beriu ki badan hakilat thai khubor, ki beriu haki sengsan perthei baper, lani ki beriu na ki seng bhalang, ni ki no kini ki kinhun kat ba ki day. Ngat harai ngim day banyalek ka ya kum kani ke rukam san perthei bajaklia, lani ki bakum kini ki khubor jaklia, ki bapen mi ka jingklumar jingmut hapring ki pat ba nong shong shnong gejela. Nalor kata ulaban jor ya ke rukam terekam jong ke NPP, ka bapen shong nongrim ha ke yieng kasam, da ka bapen pau ba ka parti ka shim ki dekhot jongka, kum ki dekhot ka long yieng, bat penbet iki jing ling ba ka jingakran. Syak nga ong happy ka way, ngeladon bat ke NPP, bat aslam bha, ngeladon bat ke kongres. Ha kata kapor nga syam baka iapher hapadeng ke NPP bat ke kongres, kelong tang ka way. Kata kelong baka NPP, barabor ka syim yala ki jong ki beriu, kum ki dekhot ka long yieng. Kata kadai ka jing itinat ha ka NPP. Nadu u national president, la kalong u state president, la ki day ki district president, la ni ki president jong ki block bat unit ni ki dekhot ke NPP, la shim ya ki kum ki dekhot ke long giang. La da ngi don ka no ka bangim sngotu la ni hateng, ka no ka jing sapriang ki khubor hamsaya, ni ju syong banyakren bat yamer jingmut lang halor kata kaman. Kata kadai ka long giang ka ba itinat jong ke NPP ula benram.
I was shocked seeing some section of social media, and number two, even the print and electronic media, where they mention about the rift that has taken place between me and Sniawbhalang, Deputy Chief Minister. Let me clarify today that it is not at all true, and I think this news is a fake news, or maybe the person who has written this, they may have been used wrongly by any vested individual or any vested political party. That only God knows. So I would like to request the person concerned who came out with such statement, with such news, to verify before coming out to the public, because unnecessary confusion takes place. Because see, there is a boundary for everything, be it people in the media, be it people in the different political parties, be it people in the NGOs or in any groups where you belong to. I think we should not play such a dirty politics or such a dirty news where ultimately create confusion among the people in the state. Let me tell you one thing. I've been with NPP, and very long time I was with Congress that time. I found out the difference between NPP and the Congress is only one thing, and that thing is NPP always treat its members as a family member. That is the beauty of the NPP. Right from the national president, from the top level, national president, be it the state president, be it the district president, or be it the block and the unit president and the members of the NPP, it is being treated as family members. And if we have anything which we does not understand, or anything which is sometimes maybe rumor spread, we sit down across the table and ultimately we resolve the issue. So that is the beauty of the NPP family. As I said to you, please don't listen to this kind of fake news, because this fake news happens just because of the political mileage of some political parties, or maybe some vested interest. That's it.